8 fruits that heal and protect your kidneys. Your kidneys are two of the most important organs in your body. Each day, they filter about 50 gallons of blood, remove waste and toxins, balance fluid levels, regulate electrolytes, and help manage blood pressure. Despite their quiet and constant work, they're often overlooked until symptoms of damage or disease begin to appear. What many people don't realize is that the path to strong, functioning kidneys doesn't start with medication, it often begins on your plate. Your daily diet plays a major role in either burdening or protecting your kidneys. And when it comes to natural protection, few things are as powerful as certain fruits. Today, we'll explore 8 powerful fruits that support kidney health by reducing inflammation, fighting oxidative stress, hydrating the body, and supporting natural detoxification processes. Whether you're managing early signs of kidney disease, recovering from a recent scare, or simply focused on long-term wellness, this list can help you make better food choices that truly matter. Stick around until the end, because we'll also share a bonus lifestyle habit, something beyond food that can support your kidneys in a surprisingly effective way. Let's begin with a fruit that's small, sweet, and packed with kidney healing power. Blueberries are often referred to as nature's antioxidant powerhouse, and for good reason. These small, deep-colored berries are rich in compounds called anthocyanins, which not only give them their vibrant hue but also help fight oxidative stress in kidney tissue. Oxidative stress is one of the leading contributors to kidney cell damage, especially in people dealing with high blood pressure, diabetes, or chronic inflammation. By neutralizing free radicals, blueberries help protect the delicate nephrons from the filtering units inside your kidneys. They're also low in potassium, making them safe for people with chronic kidney disease, CKD, who may be on restricted potassium diets. In addition, blueberries contain vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, all of which support immune health, blood vessel repair, and digestive regularity. The fiber in blueberries may also help reduce blood sugar spikes, which is important because high blood sugar over time is one of the biggest threats to kidney function. By keeping glucose levels stable, you reduce unnecessary stress on your filtration system. Whether you eat them fresh, frozen, or blended into a smoothie, blueberries are one of the easiest and most effective fruits to add to a kidney-friendly diet. Up next is a fruit that's not only juicy and refreshing, but also acts like a natural internal rinse for your kidneys. Let's dive into the benefits of watermelon. Watermelon is made up of over 90% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits you can eat, and hydration is key for kidney health. When your body is well hydrated, your kidneys can function more efficiently, flushing out toxins and maintaining healthy fluid levels. But there's more to watermelon than just water. It also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in kidney tissues and improve overall blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your kidneys, keeping them nourished and strong. Watermelon also has a compound called citrulline, which promotes natural diuresis. That means it helps your body produce more urine, encouraging toxin removal. For people prone to kidney stones or sluggish kidneys, this gentle flushing effect can be incredibly beneficial. The natural sugars in watermelon are released slowly, making it suitable for those monitoring their blood sugar, especially when eaten in moderation. And because it's low in potassium and phosphorus, it's often considered safe for individuals on renal diets. You can enjoy watermelon fresh, juiced, or blended into hydrating summer drinks. Just avoid pre-packaged juices with added sugar. Before we go further, I would love to hear from you. Where are you tuning in from, and what is your biggest health focus right now? If staying strong and independent matters to you, consider subscribing. And if this content is helpful, drop a 1 in the comments or a 0 if not. I truly want your honest feedback. Now let's move on to the next fruit. It's red, crisp, and full of natural healing compounds. Apples are one of the most widely consumed fruits across the globe, and they happen to be one of the most beneficial for your kidneys as well. Rich in a soluble fiber called pectin, apples help lower cholesterol and blood sugar, two key factors that contribute to kidney damage over time. Pectin also binds to toxins in the digestive system, helping reduce the burden on your kidneys to filter them out. This makes apples not just a sweet snack, but a functional food for organ detox. Apples also contain quercetin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps protect blood vessels, including the tiny capillaries that deliver blood to and from your kidneys. By supporting vascular health, apples indirectly support filtration efficiency and blood pressure regulation. They're also low in sodium and contain only a modest amount of potassium, which is why they're often recommended to patients with CKD, especially in the early to moderate stages. Apples can be eaten raw, baked, stewed, or added to oatmeal. Just remember to eat them with the peel, that's where most of the fiber and nutrients are found. They also support digestion, which, again, reduces toxic buildup and supports overall kidney workload. Next, we move from sweet to sour, and this next fruit might just be your kidney's best defense against painful stones. Let's talk about lemons. Lemons are one of the best natural remedies for preventing kidney stones. They're high in citric acid, which binds to calcium in the urine and reduces the likelihood of stone formation, especially calcium oxalate stones, the most common type. Drinking lemon water throughout the day can increase urinary citrate levels. This not only inhibits stone development but also breaks down small stones before they grow larger. For anyone with a history of painful kidney stones, incorporating lemons can be a game changer. Lemons also promote hydration, which is essential for the flushing of waste and toxins. Well-hydrated kidneys can perform their functions more efficiently and reduce the chance of mineral buildup. In addition to citric acid, lemons provide vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports tissue repair and immune defense. Since kidneys are vulnerable to damage from chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, these properties make lemons an ideal daily support tool. You can use lemon juice in warm water every morning, add it to herbal teas, or sprinkle it over salads and vegetables. It's best to use fresh lemon juice rather than bottled versions that may contain preservatives or added sugar. Next up is a fuzzy, green fruit that's small in size but mighty in fiber and antioxidants. Kiwi might be small, but it offers big benefits not just for digestion, but also for kidney function. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, which helps protect kidney tissues from damage caused by oxidative stress and boosts collagen formation in blood vessels. One of the standout features of kiwi is its impressive fiber content. Fiber supports gut health and helps reduce the amount of nitrogenous waste that ends up in the bloodstream, meaning your kidneys have less to filter. Kiwi also contains potassium, but in a form that's more slowly absorbed by the body. That makes it gentler for people who aren't suffering from late-stage kidney disease but still want to watch their mineral intake. This fruit also contains an enzyme called actinidin, which helps break down proteins and supports digestion. Better digestion leads to better nutrient absorption and less toxic buildup in the body. And if that's not enough, kiwi supports heart health, and heart health is tightly connected to kidney function. Keeping your blood pressure and circulation in check benefits your kidneys over time. You can enjoy kiwi sliced in salads, blended in smoothies, or eaten with a spoon, skin and all. Pushpin, before we continue, I want to hear from you. Are you currently following a kidney-friendly diet, or is this your first time learning about it? Drop a comment and let us know what changes you're making this week. Alright, let's move on to something tropical and juicy. Mangoes are more than just a summertime treat. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds that support kidney health in surprising ways. While many tropical fruits are high in potassium, mango offers a more balanced profile, making it suitable for those looking to support kidney function while still enjoying sweetness. One of the key nutrients in mango is vitamin C, which strengthens immune response and helps protect against oxidative stress, a common cause of kidney cell damage. Mangoes also contain beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body and supports tissue repair and immune regulation. Mangoes have natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for those dealing with low-grade, chronic inflammation, a major underlying factor in kidney disease progression. These compounds help protect the nephrons, the tiny filters inside the kidneys, from long-term damage. They also contain fiber, which aids digestion and supports gut health. A healthy digestive system lowers the amount of waste and toxins that must be filtered out by the kidneys, allowing them to work more efficiently. And here's something many people overlook: mangoes contain magnesium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Since high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney failure, eating magnesium-rich fruits like mango can help support both the heart and the kidneys. For best results, enjoy mangoes fresh, in small portions, and without added sugar. A few slices can be a sweet and kidney-supportive addition to your diet. Up next is a fruit that's naturally sweet, hydrating, and gentle on the kidneys, especially for those watching their potassium. Let's explore the benefits of pineapple. Pineapple is often praised for its refreshing flavor, But it's also a great fruit choice for those concerned about their kidney health, especially because it's naturally low in potassium. This makes it one of the safer tropical fruits for individuals with compromised kidney function or those following a low-potassium renal diet. Beyond potassium levels, pineapple delivers a powerful punch of vitamin C, which aids in fighting oxidative stress and reducing inflammation in kidney tissue. But perhaps the most interesting component is bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple that acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid. Bromelain helps reduce swelling and may assist in breaking down proteins in the digestive tract, which in turn reduces the toxic burden on the kidneys. It also supports better nutrient absorption, ensuring your body uses what it needs and eliminates what it doesn't, efficiently and smoothly. Pineapple also supports immunity and hydration, both of which are vital for kidney function. And because it's naturally sweet and hydrating, it can help you satisfy sugar cravings in a healthy, kidney-conscious way. Whether fresh or juiced, without added sugars, pineapple can be a great addition to a kidney-friendly meal plan. Just avoid the canned versions packed with syrup or preservatives. Before we move to our final fruit, I want to hear from you. Have you tried adding any of these kidney-supporting fruits to your diet recently? What results have you noticed? Drop a comment below and share your experience. It might help someone else too. Now let's finish strong with one of the most well-studied fruits for kidney support. Red grapes aren't just delicious, they're also packed with nutrients that can help protect and support your kidneys. One of the biggest benefits of red grapes is their powerful antioxidants, which help reduce damage caused by things like high blood pressure, blood sugar issues, or inflammation. These antioxidants protect the tiny filters inside your kidneys, helping them stay strong and work better for longer. Red grapes also help improve blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your kidneys, while waste is carried away more easily. They're full of water too, which supports hydration and helps your body flush out toxins through your urine, a very important part of kidney function. Plus, grapes are naturally low in potassium, making them a safer choice for people who need to watch their potassium levels. Red grapes also contain important vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin K, along with small amounts of iron. These nutrients help your body make healthy blood and support your immune system, both of which are closely connected to kidney health. For best results, go for fresh grapes and try to eat them with the skin on, where most of the nutrients and antioxidants are found. Just be sure to avoid grape juices that have added too much sugar and can make kidney problems worse. In short, red grapes are a tasty, easy snack that do much more than satisfy your sweet tooth. They help your kidneys stay clean, strong, and protected. Let's wrap it up with something beyond the fruit bowl: a simple habit that supports your kidneys every single day: walking. Walking for even 20 to 30 minutes a day helps improve circulation, regulate blood pressure, and enhance insulin sensitivity, all critical factors when it comes to protecting your kidneys. It's a low-impact exercise that's gentle on the joints, safe for all age groups, and can help reduce chronic inflammation over time. Regular walking also promotes better oxygen delivery to all organs, including your kidneys, while supporting natural detox processes through improved lymphatic and urinary flow. It can even help with weight management, another key factor in preventing kidney strain. Whether it's a morning walk around your neighborhood, a treadmill session, or just taking the stairs more often, consistent movement is one of the best non-food ways to give your kidneys a health boost. And there you have 8 powerful fruits that can help protect, heal, and support your kidneys naturally, plus one simple lifestyle habit that ties it all together. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with a friend or loved one who's looking to improve their kidney health naturally. New videos are added regularly, packed with tips on foods, habits, and remedies that promote long-term wellness. We cover everything you need for healthier kidneys without relying on medications.